So if you've ever come across this problem where if you download a voice note and you can't find the audio file, maybe on your email or whatever app you're using, and then you want to find the audio file, here's how you can do it on your Android phone, and it's quite easy. Now, what you want to do, first thing I'm going to show you how to find the file directory so that if you're working on any project, you'll be able to find it when you go to import or menu. Now, on your Android phone, you want to open your app menus and then search for files. You'll find several files on your phone depending on the Android version or device you're using. Now, on your Android phone, you'll find the files which comes with every Android phone, and you can also search and download for files by Google. So whichever one of them you choose to use will show you the same thing. If you choose to use files by Google, you want to open files and simply scroll down at the bottom here. You see all storage. Here you find internal storage. You can easily tap on internal storage and it will bring you here. If you choose to use the traditional file apps, you can open the files app and it should bring you here. If it doesn't bring you here immediately, you can simply tap on the three horizontal lines somewhere here. And somewhere here you see your phone name or internal storage and memory card. So depending on what you have on your device, you find them here. You'll also be able to see your recent image, videos, audios, documents, and download. So if you don't find the audio in the audio section, this works fine. Now once here, you want to find Android. So simply open on Android folder. And under Android, you want to tap on media. And under media, you want to find com.whatsapp for WhatsApp and com.whatsapp.w4b for WhatsApp business. So WhatsApp does a very good job when it comes to categorizing your file. So if you're using WhatsApp, you want to tap on WhatsApp in this section and then select WhatsApp again. Here you want to tap on media. And under media here, you find every of your WhatsApp media. Any files you saved on WhatsApp, you'll find them here, including documents and many more. So for voice notes, you want to go to WhatsApp voice notes. Tap in this section at the bottom here. And you see that WhatsApp has done a very good job to also group your voice notes. So what I'll tell you to do is scroll to the bottom in this section and you'll find your recent voice note. You can also sort by dates in this section. So this will show you the year and the months. So for my case, I am looking for this one, and this is the audio I recently received. So from here, you'll be able to share the file or do many more. If, for example, I wanted to attach a file to my Gmail, I can simply tap on attachments and then tap on files in this section. This will bring me here. Now in file section, I want to tap on the three horizontal line and then tap on the name of my device. So I'll be able to move through my device storage. Now simply open the media location as I have shown you earlier. And then find the file you're looking for. So you'll be able to find the file and attach it, send it, or use it in your project. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.